Hey, hey, guys, what's going on? What's going on, guys? Huh? It's your boy King Jockey Joe once again. It's a nice day outside today. I'm saying I got a sweatshirt on. I didn't even put the race jacket on today. Do a little riding. Oh, what's this? A little Mustang behind us? A little Mustang? Oh, it's probably a 6-cylinder like yesterday. Little 6-banger. Little 6-banger. God, little 6-banger. But yeah, nice day out, guys. You know what I'm saying? It's really warm out. A little ride. Me and my girlfriend. Well, she's not on the bike with me, but she's meeting. We're going to her cousin's house because she takes pictures. She has like a really good camera, and her cousin wants pictures, senior pictures. So she's gonna take pictures of him. Then I got my drone with me too, so I'm gonna take the drone out. We're gonna head out to the Quabbin Reservoir, take a little bit of drone pictures, a little bit of photos, some video from the Quabbin, you know. So it was a nice day out and haven't ridden in a while, so I told her, I said, "Hey, can I take the bike today?" And she said, "Babe, you know you can do whatever you want." So I took her in the room, and you know what I'm saying, I did what I wanted. And then I took the bike. The Mustang turned with the Walmart, Wally World. It went over to Walmart. A little upset because my helmet not charged, so I can't listen to music. Just like yesterday, my GoPros weren't charged. My GoPro wasn't charged. My helmet was charged. The bike's been in the shop for a while, so I didn't charge nothing. So, I guess it's just me talking to you, or me talking to me, whatever you want to call it. The bike's feeling good. I don't know if you guys seen, I got my got the wheel wraps on there from RykerWrap.com. Got the rally wraps on there. My homie Mike came over and put those on for me. Mike is the owner of RykerWraps.com. So we had a thing, like he came over, right? You guys, I know some of you guys seen the the video of the guy that did the wraps, and he put the rally wraps on his bike, and the wraps were a little bit too small. So what it comes out to be that the wheels aren't manufactured the same. So I have my wheel on the left side, that original wheel that's from the bike, and then I had the accident, so I got this wheel replaced on the right. So Mike comes over and he's gonna do the wraps for me, and he does the left side, and the wrap goes on perfect. And then he goes to do the right side, and the wrap is about 2 millimeters too small. And that's obviously because the rims aren't the same. The rims aren't manufactured the same. So we're like looking at the rim. I look at the back of the rim. We notice that the rim is made in China. So rims are made in China. Bike is designed in Canada. It's manufactured in Mexico, and it's driven in the United States. You know what I'm saying? All over the world. So obviously we have some people are saying that they're ordering these rally wraps, and they're not fitting. And it's not because the wraps are made wrong. It's because the rims are not made the same. So my man Mike, he's gonna fix that. He's gonna make the wraps just a little bit oversized so they fit all the rims, and if your rims are the little bit smaller ones, they might have to be trimmed. But they don't have to be trimmed. You don't have to trim them because it's going to blend into the black on the, unless you get like a different color, and then you might want to trim it so it can be perfect. But you really don't have to trim it because they're all going to be the same length, so they're going to look the same. You know what I'm saying? So if your bike has like the smaller, where the silver on it is smaller, like 2 millimeters smaller, the wrap's going to overlap about 2 millimeters, and then on all the wheels it's going to do that, so it'll look fine. And if your rims are the bigger ones, it's just going to fit perfect. You know what I'm saying? When I get a second, I'll hop off. I'll give you guys a look. Give you guys a look-ski of what they look like. Oh, look at that. I think we got a Ford Raptor behind, 2 cars behind us for my Ford guys. I wanted one of those for a while, but I'm like 80 grand, like 60 grand. It's like a little too much for me for a Ford. Entering Springfield. So right here, this building right here, my best friend Mike, it's not the Mike that does the rally rats, my best friend name is Mike too. He works in this build, he works there. He's the head mechanic for the trucks, head diesel mechanic. He actually, if you've seen my video with the white Mustang on a dyno, he's actually the owner of that Mustang. That Mustang was built by him and his dad. His dad passed away from a heart attack a couple years back. Oh, shit. Bumps. Hate this road. We got these manholes, or woman holes, or human holes. Person holes? I don't know, whatever you want to call them. I heard that, because they're called manholes, but I heard, like, I read this thing that said you're trying to change that, so they're not called manholes, they're called person holes. Less feminist, you know what I'm saying? Man, it's a little nippy over here in Springfield. I think I should have brought my jacket. Well, I got it in my car. My girlfriend has the car, and she has the jacket. And I'm like, dang, I should have put that on. It's a little nippy over in Springfield. And Chicopee wasn't this cold. Oh, let me show you. I'm gonna hop off right here. Show you how the wraps, Ryker wraps. Look at that, black. Woo, boy, them boy. The choices look good. On this side, on the back, we got the white, the one white one. Y'all see that? I see that. Oh, Saab. I like Saabs. I used to be a Saab owner. I used to own a Saab 95 Aero model wagon. Yep. Shit was fast. Probably faster than that. 9.3 definitely was faster than 9.3.